Welcome to Resi-licious recipes. On this channel it's all about baking and creating. Dotcakes. If the New York Times dedicates column inches to a new viral cake, you better sit tight. So what are dotcakes about? Is this the new Dubai chocolate trend? There is queues of people in front of this New York bakery queuing for hours to catch one of these viral, crazy cupcakes, dotcakes, and TikTok is full of them, teenagers recreating this recipe, mainly using cake mixes and raving how great they are. Let's see if this trend is really as hot. So let's make these dotcakes today. Obviously, I'm making them from scratch. I'm not using shop-bought cake mixes or shop-bought frosting ready-made mixes. We're making it from scratch and we're really testing if this is worth all the hype. Also, I bought these cups, they're presented in them, and obviously a lot of sprinkles. So let's make these bad boys. Preheat your oven to 175 degrees, that's 350 Fahrenheit. And line and grease your cake tin. What I'm doing is I'm baking it in a dish like this, and then we will cut out circles and pop them into the cups. You could also use something like this to bake them in, but I thought this is easier. It makes for the recipe. So let's start. Mix together 100 grams of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda and 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and simply put it aside. Then mix 2 eggs with 1/3 of a cup of sugar. Add your sugar. Then add a teaspoon of vanilla. Add in 1/2 cup of Greek yogurt. Grate the zest of 2 lemons together with 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice. So add your lemon juice as well as the lemon zest. And last, sift your dry ingredients into the wet mixture and gently fold it with a spatula once it's sifted. Bake your cake for around 25 minutes in the oven. For the mascarpone frosting, we're using 250 grams of mascarpone cold. It should be 1/3 of a cup of powdered sugar, a pinch of salt, 1/4 of a teaspoon of vanilla essence, and a bit more of lemon zest. So mix all of this together. I'm adding a little bit of raspberry syrup to add a little bit of flavor, and then add this. And then last, we're adding our frosting. Look at my beautiful dot cake. So let's see what this is all about. The verdict of the taste test is that I'm actually quite surprised. It tastes very nice. Would I queue for it for hours in New York? No. But it's a fun cake for kids, I believe. Especially kids' birthdays. I think this is fantastic. And obviously you can make it a chocolate, a red velvet, anything with nuts. You could infuse with alcohol. You could use different types of sprinkles. So definitely be creative with it. But taste test is nice. I still don't get the hype though. But yes, definitely a fun one. And try it at home. I quite like this recipe. The mascarpone icing is a lot better than the buttercream icing. I don't like that. It's for my taste, it's too sweet. And I find this refreshing and zingy with all the lemon in there. And the crunch is added with the sprinkles. So yeah, go for it. It's fun. Thank you for watching. Thank you for being here and see you in the next viral cake video. Bye.